G'day traders, 1 minute mindset reset. Today we're talking about why it's so important to have set playbook trade setups. When you come to the screen each day and you're trying to read a direction or pick up a move, it can become very stressful and inconsistent, as opposed to going to the market with set playbook setups at specific times, specific trading times, whether that's Asia, London, New York, and looking for very specific setups and criteria that you have carved out through your back testing and through your research and everything else. So when you go to the screen and you're trying to catch a move and decide, is it going up, is it going down, is it a buy low, is it a sell high, I talk about the pump and dump. That's my bread and butter go-to, and it's very specific. I'm looking for that very specific pattern of where they put in an anchor point and they start the pump. If it's a down market, there's going to be an anchor point where they start the dump and go into consolidation, and then the reversal, and again time compression, understanding the rotation of 15-minute bars and hourly bars. So obviously you could get an hourly move in one direction and the next hour reverses that trade. Those are the sort of things I'm looking for, but not on the 1 hour charts. I'm looking at it at the 1 minute charts. There's the Asian rollover trade. There's the coil spring trade. There's you've got to be building your playbook, because then you can go to the market and look to see which pairs or which instruments are set up. Maybe if you're following 3 or 4 that have consistent movement, then you're looking through those pairs to see which one fits the best criteria. And maybe maybe some days you're just going to be in a market that's not set up properly and you need to come back for the next session. I talk about the Asia-London box. Asia can set a high or a low, and London can set the other parameter. And when you head into the US session, now you've got a high-low range for the entire day. That's the 3-session trade setup. So these are the sort of things that when, the more you do this, the longer you do this, when you come to the screen and nothing looks right, you just walk away and you come back later, because there's going to be especially with the US session trades on gold. 9 days out of 10, there's going to be a minimum of a 50 pip vertical move, if not more. So these are the sort of things that when you consistently start to build that playbook and you've got set playbook trade setups, it takes the guesswork, the stress, the inconsistencies out of your trading. And that's when you can come to the screen at set times looking for very specific things. There's a gap trade. There's little things that you can be looking for that'll give you a gap trade. When you do that, that's when you'll see not only the consistency, but the scalability of some of these setups. So build your playbook. So important to build your playbook and understand all the variables, and just be patient. Build those up and get the consistency, get the confidence through mastering those setups. And then trading takes a whole different perspective. You're not going to the screen hoping that you can carve out a percentage return or anything else. Your account will grow, your trading business will grow. And keep it simple, keep it duplicatable, and keep it scalable. Have a great trading session, traders, and may the markets go with you.